So I'm really excited about this. I'm looking at my skin and like, listen. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited because this is my first camera ever. I've been using my phone. Here is the box that it came in. I'm not gonna show you my address, but it came like this because I got it from Best Buy. I did not get the kit, so yeah. Let us unbox this thing. This is the box that comes in the mailing box, and it's Wi-Fi certified. So, and it tells you about the lens and all that good jazz. So yeah. Let me open it. By the way guys, it's the PowerShot G7 Mark II. So I'm excited. I read a lot of good reviews about it. So excited. Bella's excited. Oh, so it comes with the manual right here. So anything you need to know about the camera, it's all in here. How to connect to Wi-Fi, whatever you need. It's in different languages: English, French, Spanish, 2 other languages that I really do not know, but yeah, I like that. All about diversity, feel me? And of course you have the battery that comes with it, and this right here is the battery charger. So it has this, so you could plug it in the charging port, and then you put the batteries in. It's pretty easy. Yep, and it tells you if it needs more charging or if it's full, so that's really good. So you know when it's charged, so you don't want to overcharge it. I don't like overcharging my batteries because then I personally just feel like it affects the quality of it and the life of it, but I don't really know. Oh guys, it also comes with the wristband. So basically you could just put this on the camera. I'll show you guys in a bit. This is my new bae. This is my new bae. I'm so excited. And you can see the different features on it. My favorite part about this camera is this. I'm so nervous about it. I'm gonna order a screen protector because I'm so nervous. But yeah, this is my favorite part about it. I'm not quite sure if it's charged even a little bit, but I'm gonna try the batteries in there so you guys can see what's up. So you put the battery on and the SD card in this, and it gives you the option to lock it, so when you lock it then you don't have to worry about it. And this is the on and off feature. Oh my gosh, my baby. Oh my gosh. And it tells you to set up certain things. It's telling me I have no memory card in it because my memory card is in the other room, but this is my new, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this right here, it's on top, so I could actually like look at myself when I'm recording. And oh my gosh, I am in love with this. Okay, I am in love because like when I use my phone to record, you can't really see yourself when you're recording unless you're using the front view camera, which the quality isn't as good as the rear view camera. So you know what I mean. Everything is just so clear and all that good jazz. So guys, you have the wristband. You just put it in here. And then you pull it out so you're good. And then you just have this on your hand. Also guys, let me just show you, I bought this to go with it. It is a Manfrotto tripod, a Pixie tripod. So I'm just gonna open that. So this is what the tripod looks like. You can open it. Oh, I like it. It's like really firm. So that's all it is. It's just a tripod. You open it and you can put the camera on there. So you could either use it to stand on something. I have another tripod which my phone is on right now, so I could use that if I wanted it to be higher. But like for when I'm out vlogging, then this is definitely ideal and perfect. Obviously if I'm vlogging, I'm probably gonna hold it like this. The camera is very lightweight, which is good, so like you can hold it for a longer period. For the rest of the video, I am just going to be showing you a comparison between the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the PowerShot G7x Mark II camera, Canon of course. I will be outside tomorrow and I will let you guys know the quality. Okay, and I also will let you, so I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound of the camera, because this camera, it doesn't give you the option to use an external mic like your phone does, or like a lot of other different cameras do. So I'm going to let you know how it sounds if you're only using that as your vlogging camera. I will let you guys know how it sounds in comparison to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, because that's what I'll be using. And I will also let you guys know how it looks outside recording a video, and I'll also even leave a bonus picture to let you guys see the difference between the picture quality of the camera and the picture quality of the phone. Okay guys, this is what the camera looks like. I'm actually recording from my camera now. I was recording previously from my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and as you can see, the difference is there. The audio quality is around the same. I really like the quality of my iPhone, and I also like the quality of the video. I think my favorite part about this is just the fact that I could see myself while I'm recording. So because I could see myself, I know like, oh, if I need to move something or anything like that. I also like the fact that the camera, you don't even need a computer, because all you have to do is download the Canon app on your phone, and once you download that, you connect the Wi-Fi, and it gives you a code. You put the code in your phone, and once it's connected, then you're good to go, and just like that, it's downloaded. So if you don't have a computer and you're, oh, I need a computer to get a camera, with this Canon camera, you do not. I thought I did, but turns out I didn't. So I really like that about it. So I could just continue editing from my phone, or I could use my laptop, but I prefer not to. So yeah, those are my two favorite features about it. And I also like that it's uninterrupted. So I've lost footages in the past, and like very candid moments, because I was recording and somebody called and I didn't realize that they called, so I was just there carrying on with my recording, and then I realized, oh, it's not recording, so I missed out on that. So with the camera, you can know when it's on and off, you can know all that stuff, so you don't have to worry about losing your footages, your files. So I really like that about it. But anyways, yeah, I like it. Do you guys like the quality? Comment down below and let me know if you guys see the difference in quality. I do, but I want to know if y'all see it too. Okay, all right. Hope this review helped you guys, and I really like my new baby. Guys, this is how the iPhone sounds without a microphone, and before, when I was in the red dress, that's how it sounded with a microphone. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. So guys, here are some pictures I took with the iPhone. And here are pictures I took with the camera unedited. I think the quality is pretty good. I don't think this video is doing it justice, but it's really cool. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was very informational for you guys. As I said, I'm not a pro or anything. This is my very first camera, so I don't have a lot of experience, but personally I really do like this camera and I would definitely recommend it. thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Tell me what you think about the camera quality of the camera that I'll be using from now on. And also, guys, give me a name for the camera, because I always name my babies. Like, I have a car, a Toyota RAV4, and I named him Black Panther. That was before my husband died. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love y'all. Bye.